How to make loan payments online with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Truist loan payment online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credential and once logged in on your main dashboard, just click on loans and then select the loan that you want to pay like personal or auto. And here with that you just need to click on make a payment button and after that you just have to choose the payment account, amount and date. And with that you need to double check all the payment details you have already formed, and once you're done with that you just need to click submit to process your payment. And with that, wait for confirmation page or email, and you can also check payment history to ensure it went through. And that's it. That's how you can make your Twist loan payments online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.